Remove the caster wheel by placing 2 fingers on either side of the wheel and pull it straight up. To clean the caster wheel, remove the wheel from the housing by pressing your thumb against the back of it and pushing it forward. Clean the housing of any dirt that may be in it. Using a small pen or small screwdriver, push lightly on the axle to remove it. Clean it thoroughly and also clear anything in the center of the wheel. When done, push the axle back into the wheel and pop it securely into the housing. Before you reinstall the caster wheel, clean any dirt from the open area the wheel sits in. When you are done, replace the caster wheel. Remove the side brush using a small Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the center screw, and then pull up on the side brush to remove it. Remove any dirt or hair that may be under the side brush. Once clean, reinstall the side brush. Open the brush cage by pressing on the 2 yellow release tabs located here. Then lift up and remove the bristle and flexible brushes. At one end of each brush is a bearing. Remove the bearing from each brush and inspect the bearing shafts for any dirt or hair. Clean them thoroughly and then reinstall the bearings. Remove the end caps on the bristle brush and remove any hair at either end of the brush. Clean your main brush by running it through the round cleaning tool that came with your Roomba. Insert the brush following the arrow located here. If you have the optional cleaning tool, you can use the comb to clean your main brush, or if you have something wound tightly around the brush, you can use the razor on the tool to easily cut it. Once your brushes are clean, inspect the cleaning head and remove any hair or dirt that might be inside the space where the brushes reside. Once clean, reinstall your brushes with the spare pegs going into the square openings. Close the brush cage, ensuring that it snaps securely into place. To remove the vacuum bin, turn the Roomba right side up and press on the release button located here, and pull the bin out. Empty the dirt into a wastebasket. While at the wastebasket, open the filter compartment and remove any dirt from the filter. With each cleaning, inspect the filter for rips or holes and replace if necessary. Even if there are no rips or holes, replace your filter about every 2 months. To replace the filter, put your finger into the opening at the bottom and pull it upward. To install the new filter, hook the filter under the tabs located here and then press down to snap it into place. Once cleaned, reinsert the vacuum bin back into the robot, ensuring it snaps securely into place. Clean the cliff sensors by using a dry cloth to wipe the outer windows. You can also clean the openings in front of the sensors using a can of compressed air. This will remove any dirt or dust from the sensor and the front bumper. If your Roomba has charging contacts for the home base, wipe them clean with a dry cloth. Also wipe the contacts on your home base.